Fix: please do not run this application under a virtual machine. You try opening a program and this error comes up. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error step by step. Make sure you like video and subscribe as I walk you through. Let's begin. Click on the Start button. Type, turn Windows features on or off. When you see this, click on it. This will open the Windows features dialog box. Scroll below to where you see Virtual Machine Platform. If it's checked, click it to uncheck it, but if it's not checked, leave it and wait for the second step I'll show after this. Click OK. Allow to load up. While waiting, please click on the like button below. Next, click on subscribe button and let me know what you want to say at the comment section. Click on Restart to apply changes. Click on the Power button. Press the BIOS key, F10. This will take you to the BIOS menu. Here you have to go to the Advanced tab. You can use the Tab key on your keyboard to move to the Advanced tab. Now go to Device Configurations using the down arrow key. When you get there, click the Enter button on your keyboard. Using the down arrow key, scroll below to where you see Virtualization Technology. If Virtualization Technology is checked, click on it to uncheck. After that, click on the Escape key on your keyboard. Click the Escape key again. Use the arrow key to go to the option with Yes. Click the Enter key on your keyboard to save changes. Your laptop or PC then reboots. Allow it to boot completely. Then let's see if error was fixed by relaunching the same application. Great, mine was fixed. Let me know in the comment section if you were able to fix yours too. And please like, subscribe and share this video. Be the first to watch our videos by clicking on the join button below. Most importantly, subscribe, like and share this video.